Samala Distale. So today we are going to learn Tibetan Lesson 11. Tibetan Lesson 11 is about asking simple questions. For example, like repeat identity. Are you Tashi? Sort of like a questions you ask, like repeat. Ratimbu reta re. Pasa pe repeat. Yanar yu ta yu. Pasa pe yu pe. We ask question. Do you have? Is there? So in this kind of question, we use these two words. So let's move forward to learn. First, we learn the pronunciation. Repeat, ratimbo, re ta re, pas be, repeat, repeat. Now it's your turn. Nice. Second, we have ye be, yanaro, ye ta ye, pas be, ye be, ye be, ye be. Now it's your turn. Nice. So in the statement, we say it's like you are Tashi, right? So in this kind of structure we use here Tibetan ke dashi re. So it says you are Tashi. Ke dashi re. So in when we ask question we add pasa be. Kerang dashi re be. Kerang dashi re be. So in do you have or something we use kerang la ki yu. Kerang la ki yu. Now it's your turn. Nice. So we add one ask question at pasa pe, right? Kirang la ki yu be. So we are learning this lesson. In end, we says re, we add re be. Yu, we add yu be. Ratimbo, re ta re. Pasa pe, re be, re be. So when we speaking with other, it comes in the end, right? Repeat, repeat. This repeat used in is it, are you, why. So in this kind of question, we use repeat. So we learn, right? Kirang Tashi re. So it says you are Tashi, right? Kirang Tashi re. So when we ask questions, we will know to add the past pair, right, at the end of the sentence. Kirang Tashi re. So Kirang Tashi re. Kirang Tashi re. Kirang Tashi re. So now it's your turn. Nice. Kirang Tashi re. And also we use in this sentence we learn di tep re. So here we learn di tep re. We learned this word before. Di tep ta tempo te pa tep ta tempo te pa tep. So when we say, okay, this is a book, right? So if we want to ask this on question, we will say, we know that we have to add like ba sa be in the end, right? So let's move forward. Di tep re be. Di tep re be. Di tep re be. Di tep re be. So now it's your turn. Nice. Te tep re. So te we learn, right? Te tep re. Is that a book? In the question, right? So when we ask question, is that a book? So we have to add like a past be. Te tep re be. Te tep re be. Now it's your turn. Te tep re be. Te tep re be. Kong zhe xi re. Kong zhe xi re. So we ask question. Kong zhe xi re be. So next week. Kong zhe xi re be. Zhe xi rebe. Now it's your turn. Nice. So we learned rebe used in identity, like are you a Tashi or is it a book? So that is in rebe. So how do we use the yobe? First, let's learn how to pronouncing the yobe. So yobe we have pronounced yanaro ye ba sa be yobe. Now it's your turn. Nice. So where do we use you best? Use for the existence of the questions, right? So do you have, is there? So in this kind of question that you're going to ask, you use the your bear, right? So for example, like we say, have a drug, right? How we use this in question? We add the past pair at the end. So that is the question. We say, do you have a drug? So let's read. Kirang la ki yu be. So in this term, we got one here, la. La, when we use who has what. So in that kind of sentence structure, you use la, something that has, right? So subject has something, object, right? So between the la is like who has what, so you use la. So 걔랑 la 키유, it says you have a dog, right? 걔랑 la 키유. Now it's your turn. Nice. So we ask question la 키유 be. Now it's your turn. Nice. So nang na nga, nang na nga, nang means home, right? So home has dog. We say it's like in the it someone has something, right? So some nam la ki yu, nang la ki yu. So how do we ask this question? We know we need to add the past be at the end. Then it becomes a question, right? So, nang la ki yu be, nang la ki yu be. Now it's your turn. Nang la. So learn before how to use these words. This is the homework. So you will change this sentence into the questions that we learned earlier. So that's all lesson we have. If you have any question, send me a message. I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Kalishugo.